As I take time off to rest my trigger finger, I'm using the opportunity to explore AI and Linux systems, tools that let me stay creative and technical without adding physical strain. I know some musicians are cautious when it comes to AI music, and I get it. This isn't about generating fake performances or replacing real players. My focus is on enhancing guitarist toolkit and not automating the art. I'm especially interested in guitar tone modeling using neural networks, real-time audio processing like smart effects or virtual amps. To dive into this world, I'm setting up WSL, Windows Subsystems for Linux, on Windows 11. It allows me to run Linux-based AI and audio tools natively without dual booting or switching machines. WSL gives me a clean, efficient way to experiment with open source libraries, code, and music-focused AI, all within my existing workflow as a guitarist. If you're new with my channel, please take note that most of my videos, instructions, or information I consider important are shown on the screen in a step-by-step format. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the thumbs up button to help my little channel. Thanks. Before installing WSL, we need to ensure that Windows features are installed and developer settings are properly configured, as shown. After reboot, verify Windows features are properly installed. Then enable developer mode and experimental sudo as shown. The EFI partition contains boot files necessary for starting Windows. If an EFI system partition is mounted as a drive, in this case drive E, it can interfere with Linux-style disk mounting. We cannot delete it, but we can remove the drive letter to hide it from Windows or Linux, and to make it permanent, you need to remove it also at the registry, as shown. Now we can run WSL install to download, install, and update Ubuntu, then install Python and common AI tools.